Today, Cabinet was briefed by the Minister of Lands, Agriculture, Water, Climate and Rural Resettlement on progress in the recovery efforts pertaining to the Cyclone Idai disaster. Following the successful opening of all the affected schools in Chimanimani on Tuesday, 7th May 2019, distribution of textbooks and related stationery donated by well-wishers such as UNICEF was now in progress throughout the districts. Cabinet also noted with satisfaction the continuing honoring of pledges by private sector partners to rehabilitate damaged schools infrastructure. Registration of beneficiaries for relief support has now been completed in 23 wards in Chipinge district with the assistance of the World Food Programme, WFP. The World Food Programme will provide food assistance to 15,533 identified households up to the end of May 2019. The figure on persons who died as a result of the Cyclone Idai disaster stands at 347. Most areas are now accessible by road, save for a few where the DDF and Roads Department are working flat out to repair the damaged access roads. All the 86 internally displaced persons who were staying at Ngangu Primary and Chimanimani Secondary Schools were successfully moved to camps at Abotam and Nyamatanda. The balance of 100 displaced persons who are currently cohabiting with relatives or neighbors will soon be moved to Garikai site. That's there in Chimanimani. A total of 91,320 people have now been provided with hygiene kits in Chimanimani, Chipinge, Mutare, and Buhera. Supply of essential medicines to health centers in Chimanimani district is now normalized. That was the report.